I spoke with the people from the National Recovery Program Board and visited homes that they helped repair. I'm glad to see that the Netherlands was able to help with the reconstruction of those homes, but also the infrastructure, the economic development, and helping to address the issues around waste management on the island. And that is how it should be. We are one kingdom. I look to our relation as one of sisters and brothers. You help when help is needed. You sometimes disagree or even argue, but in the end, you always sit down and have a drink with each other because you are a family. I'm glad to focus on St. Maarten's resilience and its plans with regards to the future and also how to tackle future shocks. I discussed all those themes, including the progress being regarding the Rijkswet Coho and the Landspakket in my official meetings. I heard the perspectives from NGOs who are very important on this island, including how we can strengthen each other's efforts. I visited several sites connected to the reconstruction and touristic development. I visited local businesses and local business communities. And at Point Blanche, I saw the progress they are making, which gives the inmates the possibility to help and contribute themselves. But of course, these 3 days, I'm still staying also until tomorrow, is not nearly enough. So I'm already looking forward to my next visit and many more encounters with the wonderful people of this island. Semper progrediens. Thank you.